Hello there, parents and students, and all those who are watching this video. Please freeze your calendar for 10th Feb 2024 for 11 a.m. in the morning for a grand, massive webinar organized by me at Visas Connect, where you will know everything about planning your Canadian student visa application for September 2024. You will know everything about how soon you should submit your visa application. You will know everything about what are the documentations that are required for your student visa application. You will know everything about the application process and how soon you can get to Canada. Remember and understand, most of our clients who have applied to top league universities like the University of British Columbia, the University of Toronto, the University of Waterloo, McGill, and Queen's, and all these top league universities of Canada, all those who have come to us in the last few years to apply, we have got their visas done even before May, June, July, So the sooner you apply, I'm sure you're all waiting for your acceptance letter from these respected universities. So the moment you get it, you should start planning. Don't think about submitting your application in July or August, just before a month or two, the course start date. Plan ahead, plan before, get your visas done 4 to 5 months, 3 months prior to your course start date, so that even if there's a delay of due to rush at the immigration, you still get your visa on time. So stay tuned, share your number, your name, and your kid's name or your student name on the number given on this video. Once we have the confirmation from you, we will send you a separate Google Meet link, and only those who register with us before on this given number will be able to join that webinar. So hurry up, we will have limited seats for 10th Feb 2024 for 11 a.m. That is a Saturday. So have a good time. Thank you so much. See you on the webinar.